Hi, I'm Kate from Sew Craft Cook. Today I'm going to show you how to use this handy little tool called a seam ripper. So first up, what is a seam ripper? Well, it's this handy little tool which you really should have with every sewing machine, and in fact even when you're hand sewing these are super handy. It's got a sharp point at this end, really sharp section in the middle here, and then it's got a little bobble on the top so that this section can't cut you. Now if you make a mistake when you're stitching, you'll need to undo the stitching. It's quite hard with scissors to get the scissors into the stitches because they're so tiny. So you use a seam ripper. What we can do is we can split the stitch on the surface like this and then pull them out, or we can run if we need to do the whole thing and just split a few and then pull it apart and it will pop open. You can also go in underneath and pull the stitches out this way by splitting them and pulling the fabric apart this way. This can be really handy if you've done something like sewing a toy and you actually close the gap where you're supposed to put the stuffing in. Just take your seam ripper and rip open the stitches so you've got enough gap to poke your stuffing in through there. It's also handy if you're just trying to undo something and redo the stitching on it. So say something's too small and you need to make it bigger and you wish to rearrange the stitching, you just pop it undone there. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed learning about seam rippers and how handy they are, and make sure you pop one in your sewing kit today.